In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail login problems. If you've ever encountered issues logging into Yahoo Mail, don't worry, you're not alone, and today I'll guide you through some effective steps to resolve this issue, all in just a few minutes. To start, a fundamental troubleshooting step involves clearing your browser cache and cookies. These are temporary files stored on your computer that help websites load faster. However, they can sometimes become outdated or corrupt, causing login problems. Let's walk through clearing them on Google Chrome. First, open up your Chrome browser. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is your menu icon. Give it a click. When you click on the menu icon, a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to look for an option labeled Delete Browsing Data. Clicking this will open a new pop-up window. Now, this part is crucial, so take a moment to ensure you select the right options. In the pop-up window, you'll see several checkboxes. The one you want to pay close attention to is Cached Images and Files. Make sure this box is checked, as selecting it will clear out stored data that might be interfering with how your browser interacts with the Yahoo Mail site. Once you've confirmed this option is selected, go ahead and click the Delete Data button. This will clear everything out and might solve your problem. Having managed the browser side of things, it's important to reassess what's being entered during login. Double-check your credentials by carefully typing your Yahoo email address and password. Be extra cautious to avoid any typos and remember that passwords are case-sensitive. Even a minor error can prevent access. If clearing your cache and ensuring the correct credentials haven't resolved the issue, consider changing your approach. Sometimes, switching to a different browser can make all the difference. Each browser processes websites and data a bit uniquely. So, if Chrome is giving you trouble, switching to Firefox or Safari might bypass a browser-specific glitch. Alternatively, a simple restart of your current browser can often clear any temporary hiccups in performance. These are some common and effective ways to address Yahoo Mail login problems without delving into complex technical solutions. Often, it's these straightforward fixes that resolve most technical issues. So, remember, before you panic or reach out for help, these basic steps could be your quick fix. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you fix your Yahoo Mail login problem, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from these tips. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting videos and tech tips in the future. Happy emailing!